Hey everybody.
It's Y2V. We're back.
All right, yeah, we've taken a year off or so on YouTube because, hey, YouTube is hard and we needed a breather.
Yeah, YouTube is really hard and it takes a ton of time and a lot of energy.
But we're still doing what we're doing. And if you only follow us on YouTube, stick with us because we're going to pick it up again. And try to knock out some videos. We're going to try to mix it up a little bit, show you a little bit more about our life as we hit the road, and we want to share different things with you.
So we've taken a slightly slower year from a project perspective. Right now we're at Old Fort Herod State Park in Harrodsburg, Kentucky, and it has been awesome. We're going to knock 20 things off their list, and you got to keep watching because there's going to be more on that later.
Yeah, so since we last posted on YouTube, here are our stats. We just crossed over 25 states. We're here in Kentucky, our 26th state.
Yep, our 40th project is here in Kentucky, and we put in over 51,000 volunteer hours.
And we are not stopping. This breather year was great for us so we could be tourists. And we've just really enjoyed, we went down and hung out for a month in Key West, and then we've come up and just gotten some work done on the coach, because if you're an RVer, you're always getting work done on the coach.
That right there is the culprit.
And it's been really incredible, but it's given us a chance to really think about how we want to knock out the last half of our goal of all 50 states.
Yep, so right now we're looking at doing the Northeast for 2025. Now everything is subject to change, so don't quote us on that quite yet, but we're going to start announcing projects for 2025 and beyond very, very soon.
If this is the first time watching, please go to ayeartovolunteer.com and sign up for our newsletter, because that's where we advertise those projects. Sorry, I was kicking the ants off my legs and I think I still have one. But go ahead and sign up for those newsletters. We're going to try to keep it interesting. We give you guys great cocktail recipes because that's what we do at our Y2V projects. We do these campfire circles, so we tell you a little bit about what's going on, some places that we've been that we really like.
Yeah, we give you RV hacks and new movies and TV shows that we've loved and watched, little freebies and cheapies all around the country. So our newsletter is not just volunteering, it's a whole lot of good, fun RV stuff. But
especially if you want to join us on a project, that's where you go. And the projects are awesome. We're still sticking with the 2 weeks maximum, where we take the weekend off, so it's 10 total work days. And it's a blast. It's heartwarming. It's fun. You don't even need to come for the whole 2 weeks. You can come for just 5 days.
Absolutely. And sometimes if you're just in the area and want to drive in for a day, that works for us too. It's just a great way to add a little purpose to your travels.
So let's just show you a little bit about what we're doing here at Old Fort Herod State Park. And until then, we hope to see you guys here in the next coming months. Definitely click subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll kick out some of our best information to give you on this channel.
We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.
Bye. You know how you keep white pipe rail fence from getting dirty? Paint it black. Look at this, y'all.
Brazilian painting princesses are back at it again.